and start the class. And before I do that, let me send a reminder to some of the kids who have not joined yet. Okay. So today is Saturday, and does everybody remember what do we do on Saturdays? Yep, yes, Henry. Tables. So first 15-20 minutes we do tables, meaning everybody in the class keeps on practicing tables. I will ask you guys questions to see how much you remember, and then we will learn some concepts. So for Joanne, it's a first class, so don't worry about it, okay? You will just see how kids do that, and then we'll probably check how much you remember, how much you know, and then we'll come up with our plan for doing things in future, okay? Yep. All right. So everybody ready for tables? Okay. So here, one person here. It's okay. Fine. All right. So let's start then. So we'll start with Gautam.
Okay.
Gautam, table till?
I'll still do 12.
12. Okay. 8, 9 ja.
8 times 9?
Yep.
72.
12, 5 ja.
60.
9, 9 ja.
81.
11, 7 ja.
77.
12, 8 ja.
96.
Good job. Let's go to Akshara.
Okay.
Table till?
I think 11.
11. 9, 7 ja.
63.
6, 8 ja.
48.
7, 7 ja.
49.
8, 7 ja.
56.
9, 5 ja.
45.
Very nice. So I will request everybody else to keep their videos on, okay? Because I want to see you guys face to face, always. That's the only way teacher can interact with the kids. Alright, let's go to Tasvik. Tasvik and again. Tasvik, I would want you to sit here. And you don't have to poke your nose into everything you focus on math. That is your weak area, okay? Focus on math. That is what we are here for. Okay, Tasvik, table till?
12.
Okay, 12 5 ja.
60.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 9 ja.
81.
7 5 ja.
35.
11 7 ja.
77.
9 12 ja. 12 9 ja. Alright, very nice. Good job. Aditi. Aditi, ready?
I got
Table till?
I got 8, sir.
That's okay, beta. Table till?
I can still hear. 12.
12. 7 5 ja.
35.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 7 ja.
39.
12 4 ja.
48.
9 9 ja.
81.
Good job. Let's go to Yug. Table till? 5 8 ja.
48.
5 ja 48.
Wait, what? 35.
5 8 ja.
Oh, 5 is that? 40.
4 9 ja.
36.
5 9 ja.
45.
Okay. You need to memorize tables.
Mom, when are you
Alright.
showing up in the class?
Okay. Aditi, go on mute, beta. And whoever is not talking has to be on mute so that there is no disturbance. So Yug, very serious. I want you to memorize tables, okay? Okay? You are focusing more on who's sitting where, why not me, why him, why her. That's none of your business. I would want you to focus on tables, okay? That's not a good job done. Nihir, are you ready?
Yes.
Table till
5.
4 is there.
32.
3 9 there.
27.
4 8 there. Stable. If you keep swinging like this, I'm teaching kids swinging like this, will anybody be able to concentrate? No, don't do that. Don't do that. I'm asking you not to do it. Yeah.
32.
5 6 there.
30.
So this is how it has to be. 5 6 are 30, 2 9 are 18, 8 5 are 40, like this. So that means you have to practice more. So you are doing good. You have picked up, you have started learning tables, you have to practice more. I want you to play with tables. I want you to practice, memorize, and then give it to your parents, ask them to ask you questions, and then see where you are taking time. Okay? That is our desired state. We want to make sure that everybody in this class plays with table. Okay? Alright? So okay, let's go to Shanvi.
So I know until like 16, but
No, don't go that far, Beta. Don't go that far. I'm not in a hurry. I want you to learn enough and be confident. I don't want you to rush and go to 16 or 18, okay? Let's say till 12 or
I'm
10.
not good at with 12 though.
10,
11.
11. Okay. 9 8 ja.
72.
8 9 ja.
78. 8 nines?
Uh-huh.
Okay, 72.
7 5 ja.
45.
7 5 ja.
35.
9 8 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 7 ja.
8. 56.
10 10 ja.
100.
Good job. Alright. So let's go to Nihan. Nihan, table till?
14.
No. Let's focus till 12. We'll go to I'll ask you some surprise questions and see. Okay? 12 8 ja.
96.
9 5 ja.
45.
13 5 ja.
What?
13 5 ja.
70.
65.
Uh,
6 9 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
64.
10 12 10 ja.
120.
8 8 9 7 ja.
63.
Good job. So you seem to be fine with table till 12 and you are not going wrong and you are quick also. So you can go to 13 maybe. You can try 13, okay? Next Saturday. Let's focus on 13. But don't go 14, 15 for now. You guys have still have enough time, okay? Don't worry about it. I mean, what you guys already know, that is lot more than even what a 10th grader knows, okay? In terms of tables, okay? I'm not saying that 10th graders don't know as much maths you guys know, but yeah. Okay, now let's go to Joanne and see what else he knows. Yeah? So Joanne, have you learned tables before?
Yeah.
Table till which number?
11.
11. This is your first class. I would not expect you to be a champion in 11, but let's see how much you know, okay? Because what my expectation from you all is, whatever table you learn, you should be able to play with this, okay? If I say 8 9 ja 72, 12 5 ja 60, 11 7 ja 77. It has to come instantaneously, and that is what is our desired state, okay? So we have to get there. If you know it, wonderful. If not, we just have to keep on practicing every day 5 minutes. That's all, okay? So let's see what all Joanne knows, yeah? Okay, till 11 you said, 7 5 ja.
35.
Very nice. 8 6
48.
Very good. 9 9
90 or 81.
81. 7 9
63.
Very good. 10 5
50.
11 9
99.
Good job. So this is your first class and you are doing amazing, okay? Because see, I mean, you're not giving me chance to give you a lot of feedback, but again, like I tell every child, I mean, you guys are like my child, okay? Don't worry about it. If I say child or kid, treat me like your teacher, your uncle, whatever you call me, okay? It's fine, okay? So in the first class, I would not assume anybody to already be knowing it, and if you know it, trust me, you are fine, okay? So what I would request you join is, still regardless of what you already know, make sure that you are not rushing very fast. Till, let's say if you are confident with table till 11, play with it. Meaning every day, find out 5 minutes of your unproductive time. Whenever you are sitting doing nothing, you are getting bored. Let me recall if I know all the tables. Okay, 10 1 10, 10 is 20, 10 3 30, 10 4 40. Wonderful. 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 30, 27, 9 4 36. Do it, and then catch hold of somebody in the family and say, okay, daddy, ask me questions on tables till 11. Let's see if I go wrong. Do that in a more playful way, okay? Don't take stress that you are studying. Do that in a playful way. And see if you are going wrong. If you go wrong, that's a chance for you to practice again. That's it. Yeah? So that's what we'll do with tables. Okay. Yes, Jan, we have a question?
The failure, like the fraction.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. So let me finish the tables, right? This is like a routine that we follow, right? So tables will finish, and then we'll review the fraction thing that we have learned, and then we'll go to the next topic, okay? Again, ideally we should not be talking about fractions today, but in case anybody is not clear, we'll touch upon that, and then we'll go to the next topic, okay? So Akshara we talked, Sriyanvi we talked to Aditi, Joyan, Gautam, Nihan. Who all is remaining? Whoever is remaining who has not spoken yet, raise your hand. Okay? Yes. Yes, Jay. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah, Aradhya also has not spoken. Okay. I was not able to see everybody on the screen. So yeah. Aradhya, go ahead. Yaganya also has not spoken yet. Yeah, Aradhya, table till?
10.
10. 8 9 ja.
8 minutes. 80.
72. Yeah, 8 10 ja will be 80. 8 9 ja 72. Okay. 7 6 ja.
7 times 6. 42.
Very nice. 6 8 ja.
43.
48.
48.
Yeah. 8 8 ja.
8 8 are 62.
64.
Oh.
Yeah. So don't worry about it. This is the class where we have all the reasons to make mistakes. That is why your teacher is here. So if we are learning something and if we go wrong with something, that is just an opportunity for us to practice it more. Okay. So Aradhya, I would request you to spend 5 minutes every day. Let's do that in a more playful way, like what I was saying, Join also, right? Memorize table. Let's say you think that you know table till 10, but you'll still want to go step by step. Let's say 8 till 8. Okay. Let's fix up a goal for ourselves. Okay. But by the next class, let's make sure that we master the table till 8 first. Okay. Master meaning every day 5 minutes, 10 minutes, practice it, and then try memorizing it. Then ask somebody in the family to check you how quickly you're able to answer, how accurately you're able to answer, and then keep memorizing it. Let's make sure that by the next class we do a wonderful job with table till 8. Yeah? Aradhya, that's a goal for us. Next class as in next Saturday. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go to Yaganya. Yaganya, table till?
12, sir.
Okay, 12 8 ja.
96.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 6 ja.
42.
12 9 ja.
108.
13 3 ja.
39.
That was a trick question, but good job. All right, good job, beta. Let's go to Salini.
Table 12.
You have to turn on your video also. I want to make sure that I can see each one of you while we are talking.
My video is not working.
Okay, not a problem. So table till 12.
Yes.
8 8 ja. 8 8 ja.
64.
9 8 ja.
72.
12 6 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
63.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 6 ja.
72.
12 9 ja.
108.
Good job. Ishan, ready?
Yeah.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 9 ja.
7 birds of 63.
6 7 ja.
42.
9 9 ja.
81.
10 6 ja.
60.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
Okay. Good job. Much better than before. I would want you to continue practicing till you don't give me a reason to ask for it before you go to 11. Okay. So keep practicing. Okay. And I'm not sure if you are challenging your parents or not, but please do that. Okay. Memorize tables and then catch hold of somebody. Okay. Say, ask me questions on tables till 10, table till 11. Okay. All right. Let's go to Jay. Jay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 9 ja. Oh, sorry. I forgot to ask. Table till
12.
12. 12 6 ja.
72.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 8 ja.
96.
11 8 ja.
88.
9 9 ja.
81.
8 9 ja.
72.
6 6 ja.
36.
Okay. Good job. So Ishan and Akshara, you have raised your hand.
Could we ask questions?
Yeah. Let me finish. So let the teacher ask questions first, and then I will let you guys test your teacher also. So let me see who all are remaining. So as Yaganya has already shared, Gautam has done, Shanvi is done, Salini is done, Sami has not. Sami, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Only Sami. Okay, Sami, table till?
12.
Okay. 12 8 ja.
96.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 9 ja.
108.
7 9 ja.
63.
6 8 ja.
48.
9 6 ja.
54.
Good job. Yeah, Ishan, you have raised your hand. Ishan, turn on your video, put your hands down unless you have a question. And again, I would not want to keep on reminding you guys. Make sure that you are keeping your videos on unless there is a technical problem, like Salini.
My screen isn't like on.
Not awning. Awning is not a word.
I'm pressing like the button. But
It's okay. It's okay. All right. Let's. So you guys, I will pick up 3 kids from the screen and 2 kids from the room, who can challenge the teacher, and we'll have to do that exercise quickly in 5 minutes. Okay. Everybody will ask only 5 questions, okay? Don't go beyond that. Okay, so 3 kids, Nihan, Sami, and Akshara, okay? Alright, yeah. Salini also. Nihan, Sami, Akshara, and Sami. Okay, 4 kids. Or Salini also. Okay, 5. But everybody can ask only 5. Okay, do as quickly as possible, and then you and Tasvik in the classroom. Yeah, Nihan, go ahead. Table till 16.
So that will be 35 questions. 15 eighths.
120.
14 14s. No, 14s, 9s.
126.
13 eighths.
104.
14 sevens.
98.
16 twos.
32. Done. Let's go to Sami.
Okay, 16 fours.
64.
14 eights.
128.
13 fives.
132. I made a 14, 8 you said, right? 112, my bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
13 nines.
117.
Last question. 15 sevens.
105.
Okay.
Alright, Akshara, go ahead.
12 times 9.
108.
13 times 4.
13 times 4,
Yeah.
52.
13 times 9.
117.
15 times 9.
135.
16 times 9.
144.
I guess 17 times 4.
68. Salini. Yeah, we'll have to move on quickly so that I can teach you guys also something. Salini, your turn.
17 times 8.
17 times 8, 136.
17 times 4.
68.
16 times 4.
64.
15 times 10.
150.
12 times 12.
144. That doesn't come in the table though, but yeah, that I could still do it quickly. Again, I'm not trying to flex here saying see how great I am with tables. This is what I want from you guys. When I'm asking a question, the answer has to come like this, the way I was trying to answer, right? So as a teacher, I was trying to tell you guys that I don't preach what I don't practice. Okay, so if I have memorized tables, that is why I'm wanting you guys to memorize tables as well. And I would want the answers to come the way I was giving the answers, okay? That's the message to you all. Nothing more, nothing less. Even if I start failing downwards, it's still okay for me. You guys don't have the option to fail. Yeah? Alright, Tasvik.
12 times 10.
120.
15 times 9.
135.
15 times 6.
90.
14 times 3.
14 times 3, 42.
14 times 9.
126.
14 times 8.
112. Okay. Yug, your turn.
15 times 16.
Where are you going? To my neighbor's house.
15 times 6.
90.
15 times 7.
105.
15 times 8.
120.
15 times 9.
135.
16 times 9.
144. End of testing question. Teacher has passed with flying colors. My job. Okay, forget about it. Now, what are we going to learn today? So, for all the kids who are joining for the first time, they might not be able to recall what did we do in the last class, right? Joanne would not know what did we do in the last class, but everybody else should. And we have done fractions enough to be literally tired of? Who all are tired of fractions? You're tired? And whoever is tired cannot go wrong with fractions, okay? Okay?
Sir.
Yeah, Diti. Yes, Ami, go ahead.
So the day we did fractions on Sunday, right? Sunday and Saturday. On Monday, our teacher made us add unequal fractions.
Unequal, yeah, so you got lucky with that?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, Diti, you were saying something. Yeah, Aditi? Where did Aditi go? Aditi is here. Yeah, Aditi, unmute yourself and tell me.
Right. So how if we're tired of fractions, then we can take a break of fractions. We can't take a break because math is more important than breaks.
Alright, no, I'm not saying that. I was saying that we have been learning fractions for our 3-4 classes. So most of you should have learned it. If you stop playing with the chair, you will be able to learn maths better. Okay? And I certainly don't enjoy scolding anybody in the class, but if you are not leaving me any option, I would love doing it. Okay? Alright. Yes, Alni. Sorry, Srianvi. Srianvi, you have raised your hand. No, sorry, it's Salni, okay. So you guys have done pairing and I see 2 names on the screen, that gets me confused. Okay, yes, Salni, you had a question.
So I just wanted to suggest.
What is that?
Circumference of a circle.
Circumference of circle, we'll go to that. We'll certainly go to that. But now I want to move out of fractions, but I know some of you are still struggling with fractions. So I want to spend 10 to 15 minutes dealing with fractions. Make sure that everybody understands it before we go to the next topic. Can you stop drawing on your notebook? Can I repeat myself one more time saying that when you are in the class, you are only to pay attention to what I do or what is written on the board. No parallel business. Okay, even if you have a big business empire, forget about the business empire and only do one business, that is learning what I'm trying to teach. Okay? Okay? I don't know how many times I have to tell that you nod your head every time saying yes, but you hardly follow. Okay? Alright. So fractions, additions. We'll not try solving problem, okay? Let me do a quick check to see if everybody knows. If I have to add this by this, tell me what is that you do. Yeah, Nihit, you said you are tired. Tell me what is that you do. Don't try solving it. You tell me the steps. What do you do first? No, I will ask. I know who is tired and who is supposed to be tired. Yeah, tell me. What do you do first?
You add, multiply, divide.
But what? Add, multiply, divide is whole maths. Everything that we do in math is all about adding, multiplying, dividing, subtracting. That's it. What do you do? What is the first step? Don't remember? You have no option to be tired. I know you know it, so that's why I'm not coming to you. I'll come to you. Let me check. Yeah. Yes, Gautam. Just tell me the approach part. You don't have to solve it. Just tell me how do you go about it.
So, since 1/8 is a multiple of 1, since 8 is a multiple of 4, you can do 4 times 2 and 1 times 2, and then you'll get 2 by 8.
Right, that's a shortcut. You are saying that you multiply here 2, multiply here 2. So this becomes 2 by 8 and this is 1 by 8. So 2 by 8 plus 1 by 8 becomes 3 by 8. That's what you are trying to say. That's the shortcut part. But even if I'm not as intelligent as Gautam, then also if I have to solve these 2 fractions.
Okay.
Imagine it was not 1 by 4, it was 1 by 3. What would be the process? The steps? Yeah, Gautam.
You just have to do 3 times 8. Wait, you don't have to, so you have to do 3 times 8. I'm not explain it, but I know how to do it.
No, so see okay. I'll come back to you, Gautam, okay? So yeah, Akshara, yeah, tell me what is the approach? What are the things that you do first?
First, you take 3 and 8. You have to do LCM of that.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay. So yeah, this is the first thing I wanted to know. So Gautam, what you told, that was a very smart move. That is something that helps you do quick calculation. But if you look at the simple calculation, right? When you're talking about fraction, addition or subtraction, first thing is you look at the denominators. First thing you check if everything is a fraction or not. Both are fractions, wonderful. Look at the denominators. Nate, you were tired, but you had forgotten. Look at the denominators, 3 and 8. Find out the LCM of these two. Whatever is the LCM, this is LCM, 24. Put 24 here and then you deal with the fractions one by one. Pick up the first one. This, see how many times of 3 is 24? 8. And what is there in the numerator? 1. Multiply by this. 1 is done. Then look at the sign. Oh, this is plus. Wonderful. Then you start, pick the second number. What is the denominator? 8. How many times of 8 is 24? 3. And what is there in the numerator? 1. Done. Now you break it down. That's what you will do, right, Taspreet? Yeah. So let me, yeah. You?
He keeps on using the pencil and then knocking it on the chair.
Is that fun? Take your chair, come here. Take a chair, come here. I'm not asking you for options. You don't have an option. Take a chair, sit here. Pick the lighter one. Oh, okay, yeah. Sit here. Okay. So, again, so Salini, I'm not interested in the answer. Like I always say, I don't care about the answer. I'm just trying to make sure that everybody in the classroom understands this approach. Okay? So, Aditi, do you remember what we had done before with fraction addition and subtraction? Yeah, Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Noel, sorry, Joanne, my bad. Joanne, are you able to follow me, beta?
Yeah.
Did you know how to do fraction, addition, subtraction?
I know how to add the fractions with the same denominator.
Okay, you know how to add the fraction with the same denominator. So, like that's what. Do you know how to find out the LCM? No. Okay. So if this is the case, right? Like Gautam was saying. So Gautam, you were saying you don't know how to explain it, right? So here also LCM plays a role. Okay. Let's say I have 3 and 8. I have to find out the LCM, least common multiplier. So Joanne, just pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay. 3 and 8. I have to find out a number that can be divided by 3 and 8, and that has to be the least or the smallest number possible. Okay. So that is where you find out LCM. So all the denominators you have, you said that you know how to add them when the denominators are same. I'm saying my denominators are different. So what do? We find out the LCM of both the denominators, 3 and 8. Yeah, Gautam, you're saying something?
I remember now.
Okay, so let me finish this and I'll come back to this, okay? I'll come back to you. Now, 3 and 8 are two numbers in the denominators. I'm trying to find out the LCM, meaning the smallest number that can be divided by 3 and 8 both. Let's pick up the smallest number that can divide 3 and 8 both. No, there's no one such number. I'll pick up 3. 3 ones are 3. And 8 doesn't come in the table of 3, so I'll leave 8 as 8. As soon as I get a 1, I'll ignore that. Now, what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 8. So, how many times of 8 is 1? 1 is 1, leave it. How many times of 8 is in the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. Everything has become 1 here. So this is where you will start. So what you have, 3 and 8, multiply them. This becomes your LCM. Okay? This is 24, is your LCM. Now Gautam, to your point, you got it, 24, which is the least common multiplier. So you can make everything as 24. Okay? So you multiply this by 8, become 24. So if you are multiplying by 8 here, you multiply here also. Similarly, this you will try making this also 24. So you multiply 3 and you multiply 3. So this became the number that you were wanting to add or subtract. It became 8 by 24 plus 3 by 24. 8 bananas, 3 bananas, 11 bananas. Yep. Gautam, this is what you were saying, right? Yeah. So this is one way of doing it. But your LCM, your basic approach for solving a problem remains this. So be it addition or subtraction, okay? Yes, Yanvi. So are you paying attention? No, you are not. Let me check. Let me check right away. Give me your notebook. I am giving you a fraction addition, okay? And you do it in 5 minutes while I am teaching the kids. I want to see what you have learned, by the way, so far.
Mixed fraction.
What is that?
Addition thing you said, you can say mixed fraction for
No, so okay, we'll go to that beta. Let's not jump the gun, okay? Let's go step by step because understanding the concept is more important. Yes, Janvi.
So I figured out a new way. I mean, I didn't figure it out, but I found out a new way to do a fraction subtraction problem.
Yeah.
To like fraction.
Yes. So be it addition subtraction works the same way, okay? Addition and subtraction of fraction work the same way. Now, for Joanne, everybody else knows it. Nihit, you had forgotten. So stop drawing on your notebook. Pay attention to math. It's a math class, not a drawing class. Okay? Here, as I said, how do you find? Let's do differently. Let's say this is 1 by 5 and 1 by 8, and we have to add it. Okay? So when my denominators are not same, Joanne. Okay? So what I'll do, I'll first do the LCM. When you have fraction addition or subtraction, it works the same way. What you do? Look at the denominators and find out the LCM for them. What is the smallest number that can divide both of them? There is no such number. Okay? So I'll pick up the smallest number is 5. 5 ones are 5, 8 remains 8. Now, except 1, what is the next smallest number? 8.
8.
1, 8 ones are 8. Done. Everything is 1 now, I can stop. That means I have 5 and 8. So 5 times 8, this is my LCM. Okay? Okay? Now, I will not try changing all the denominators. My LCM is 40. Okay? So I'll write 40 here. Nihit, you are paying attention, right?
Yes.
I got 40 as my LCM. Now let's look at the first number. 1 by 5. What is the denominator? 5. How many times of 5 gives me 40? No, Joel? 8, right? 5 times 8 is 40. So I'll write 8 here. And then multiply that with my numerator, which is 1. Close the bracket. Done. Then what is the sign here? Plus.
Plus.
Yeah? Then go to the next number. How many times of 8 gives me 40? 5. 8 5 is 40. And then what is my numerator? 1. Put 1 here. Yeah? Now let's 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5 times 1 is 5 divided by 40. So this becomes 8 plus 5 13.
40.
Yep. Done. Okay?
You got the answer and the process.
So Salini, just allow me to just teach the concepts to the kids who are learning this for the first time. You guys have already learned it before, so that's why I'm not giving you guys the chance to answer also, okay? Now, if I had to do subtraction, what does change for me? Nothing. Addition, subtraction works the same way. if I had a minus like this, I'll do everything the same way. Find out the LCM for these two, 40. Then pick up this number. How many times of this gives me 48? Multiply by numerator 8. Then the minus sign. And then look at the second number. How many times 8 gives me 45? Multiplied by the numerator 1. And that's why I'm keeping things in the bracket so that it doesn't get messed up. Okay? Yeah? So it becomes 8 minus 5. And then this becomes 3 by 40. So fraction, addition and subtraction works the same way. Okay? The process is the same, just step by step. Salini, what is the question?
It's just a common, like, whenever, like, in addition it was 13 by 40, and then in subtraction it's 3 by 40,
Yeah.
like 13 and 3.
Yeah. Okay, so you understood the process. So this is a question for Join and Nihit. Did you guys understand fraction, subtraction, addition? You did?
I understand the last part, but I don't really understand the LCM.
Why not LCM? LCM we have played with so many times. Let's say I have to do 1 by 2 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 9. Okay? So Joanne, you will see this one, okay? And Nihit, you pay attention. Everybody else knows it already. Sianvi, you have a question?
I have an easier way to do the subtraction one.
Don't worry about it. We'll come back to this, okay? Let's see. One thing is the basic process, okay, of doing the calculation. If you learn it and you do more and more, you will find out smarter ways to do it also, okay? But don't deviate from the basic one. Like what kids do. They'll say, okay, fine, I can get the answers from ChatGPT. I'll not study. ChatGPT is additional information only. You learn the basics and then sometimes if you want to ask questions to ChatGPT, please go ahead and do so. But don't deviate from the basics. Okay, so coming back to Nihit and Join only right now. If I have to add 3 fractions, everything remains the same for me.
Done.
Okay, I'll come to you. So pay attention when I'm teaching, okay? Now I have to add 3 fractions here, okay? Everything remains the same for me. What are the denominators? 2, 6 and 9. 2, 6 and 9. Find out the LCM for them. Now find out the smallest number that can divide them all. Probably I'll start with 2 because 2 can divide this one and divide this one also. Not this one, but at least 2 of them. That's okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. 9 remains 9 because 9 doesn't come in the table of 2. Now let's go to the next smallest number apart from 1. I'll go to 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. What is the smallest number apart from 1? Is 3. 1 remains 1, 1 remains 1, 3 1 ja 3. All done. We can stop here actually. Now what do I have? 2, 3 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 3. This is my LCM. Nihit, said you did not understand LCM. When I'm teaching LCM, you're looking at your bag and your slipper. That will not help. Here. This is what I'm doing with LCM, okay? All the numbers that you have to find out the smallest number that can divide most of them. And you have to come to the point where you have all ones. Yep? So this is what we got. 2 times 3 times 3. 6 3 are 18. That is my LCM. Yep? Now, everything remains the same. I will just go super quick. Now, pick the first number. 1 by 2. How many times of 2 gives me 18? 9. What is my numerator? 1. Done. Then the plus sign. Second one. How many times 6 gives me 18? 3. Multiply that with the numerator. Then what is the sign? Plus sign. How many times of 9 gives me 18? 2. What is my numerator? 3. See? 9 1 ja 9, plus 3 2 ja 6, plus 2 3 ja 6. Divide by 18. I got 9 plus 6 15, plus 6 21 by 18. Done. So, yeah.
What's the time?
Lot of time. We still have 15 more minutes.
15.
So here, if you see, the process remains same. You look at the denominators, find out the LCM, and then you deal with them one by one. That's it. If it's a plus sign, you add them. If it's a minus sign, you put the minus sign and do it. Yep. Joanne, did you learn something new today? Did you learn it?
Yes.
Yeah. Show me, what did you do? Quick, quick. I don't have enough time. Okay, 2 by 6. What did you do? 6 and 9. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. 6 and 9. You have to find out the smallest number that can divide both of them. So you have to find, it is 3. 3 divides 6 and 9 both. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So your LCM would be 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. It will be 18. 3 2 and 3. 3 2 are 6 plus 3 18. So this becomes 18. And then 6 times 3, 3 into 2, plus 9 2s are 18, 2 into 1. So 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 18. That is what would be your answer. Where did you go? So you beta, this is not working. You come to the class, you keep poking people, you keep swinging your feet, you keep showing back ache, front ache, whatever ache. Your parents are taking so much effort to bring you to the class every day, and you come here, do time pass and go home. And then you'll say, I learned nothing. Why? Because you're not paying attention. At least if you pay attention, if you listen to me, you'll learn something. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time, and when I keep on telling you all these things, I'm wasting everybody else's time also. Alright, so this is fraction, addition, subtraction. Nobody has any doubt, right? Nobody? Okay. Joanne, no doubt. Salini, no doubt. Shanvi, no doubt. Now, anything else that you guys know by yourself, by practicing it, that's fine. Multiplication, division, who knows, who doesn't know? And trust me, this is our last class to talk about fractions, okay? I'm not going to talk about fraction
Anymore.
for next 2 months at least. Yeah, Gautam. Gautam is hiding and then only showing his hand. Okay, yeah, tell me.
I'm taking notes.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Sammy.
So you said there was like the test, right?
Yep.
That we had to do.
So test we have to do. I'm planning to do the test before Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Yep.
Because I'm going out of town in Thanksgiving break.
Thanksgiving, I'm also going to be out. So I will also take a break. But yeah, before Thanksgiving we'll do it. Okay? Yep. Yeah, somebody was raising hand. Yeah, Aditi.
Sir, earlier, at 4 or 4:15 or something, something like there was an internet problem, so that's why your videos started glitching.
Okay. But that is past, so let's forget about it. Alright. Yeah? So, where is your energy going? For things which are not needed. Okay? If I start singing in this classroom, I start singing the old song that I like.
What old
Everybody will end up wasting their time. So let's not go there.
What old song?
No, let's take it offline, okay? Now come to fractions multiplication. Fraction multiplication is nothing but tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, tiki-taki.
Yeah? Alright?
Just like cross numbers.
Yeah. Yes, Sammy, yes, I complain.
Oh, sorry, Steve.
Does everybody know how to do it? Joanne, do you know it better? No? This is tic-tac-toe. Okay? This is what I call it. 2 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 6. They are two fractions. Okay? Now, what will you do? Whatever you have in the numerator, you will put them together. 2 into 4. Whatever you have in the denominator, you will put them together. 8 into 6. Okay? It's only multiplication. Now, what you can do is, you can break it into smaller pieces. 2 is a small number. Let me not worry about it. 4 is a bigger number. I can break it still. I can say 4 as 2 into 2. Yeah. Now I have 8. 8 I can break as 2 into 2 into 2. Yeah. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8. Yeah. I've just broken into smaller pieces. Now 6 I can say as 2 into 3. Yeah. Now the fun begins. Every number you have above and below, same numbers you can knock them off. I call them tic-tac-toe. So this 2 and this 2 I can knock off. This 2 and this 2 I can knock off. Okay? And 2 I can write as 2 into 1. Okay? So this 2 and this 2 also I can knock off. What do I have now? 1 above and 2 into 3 below. This became 1 by 6.
Which is also.
Yeah.
Make up the same ones.
Yep. So see, fraction multiplication is
2 by 12.
2 by 12 also, yeah. So fraction multiplication is nothing but tic-tac-toe. It's a game that we are playing here, right? Since you guys know tables, you know how to break a bigger number into smaller numbers. Yeah. And then when you have all multiplication signs, you can do knockoff or do tic-tac-toe. Okay. Now just one more sum quickly. And I remind you guys, okay, today is the last class for fractions operations. Okay. If anybody has any doubt, ask now. Otherwise, I'm going to be quiet when it comes to fraction questions for next 2 months, so that we can learn something else. Okay. I mean, we have been learning fractions for quite some time now. Okay.
Or you can just watch the video.
Or you can watch the video always. Yeah. But the teacher is going to be quiet. Teacher will not talk about fraction in the year of 2024. We'll talk in 2025. Alright. Now,
Why?
2 months, we have to learn something else also.
Why do we have to do fractions again?
No, I'm not saying that. And that's what I'm saying.
So
No,
we're taking
we'll do, no, whatever we learn, there is no harm in revising it. But then, we certainly want to learn more things. We don't want to stay glued to fractions operation for next so many months or so many weeks. Now, let's join. You might want to pay attention to what I'm doing now. 2 by 6 multiplied by 6 by 8 multiplied by 12 by 9 multiplied by 1 by 6. It might look like a big deal, but it is not. It is a fun game. See how? I have 4 numbers, all multiplications, right? Nothing to worry. Whatever I have here is numerator, I'll put them together. 2 into 6 into 12 into 1, 6 into 8 into 9 into 6. I can break them down, but before I break, I still see them some opportunity for doing tic-tac-toe. This 6 and this 6 I can do tic-tac-toe already.
Why not that's it and that's 6?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
No, that 6 is on the denominator.
Yeah, so this 6 and this 6. One numerator, one denominator. You will not do denominator versus denominator, okay? Okay? So what we have now is 2 times 1 by 8 times 9 times 6. 2 times 12, sorry. By 8 times 9 times 6. Now, 12 you can write as 6 times 2 into 1. So this 12 became 6 times 2. Now 8 I can write as 4 times 2. And then 9, let it be 3 times 3. And then 6, I can write as 6. Now see, this 6 and this 6 also you can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 also you can do tic-tac-toe. What you have now? 1 into 2 divided by 4 into 3 into 3. 4 into 3 into 3. You want to further play? You can play. This 4 you can break into 2 into 2. So 2 into 1 divided by 4 becomes 2 into 2. And you have 3 into 3. So this 2 and this 2 also you can do tic-tac-toe. Now what you are left with? 1 by 2 into 3 into 3. That becomes 1 by 2, 3 or 6, 3 or 18. This monster-like problem became like this cute baby. by playing with it. Yeah?
How? The denominator is 18.
2 3 is 6 is 8. 2 3 is 6. 3 is 18. Yeah? Alright? What is that? So, yeah, yes, Andri.
I got 8 by 24.
8 by 24, you missed
You
something.
can also further break it down.
8 by 24 gives you 1 by 3. No, you have missed something. Or I might have missed something. I'm just checking it. Yeah. No, you do it one more time.
After ask you.
Yeah, do it one more time, beta, okay? When you get some answer, okay, when you review it, you will see where you're going wrong. Tasvik, I see your mischievous plans. Don't go there. So, whenever you do some problem, you will not do it right the first go always, okay? Do review and you will see where you are going wrong. So, Nihit, Tasvik, no. He is already having difficulty in understanding what I'm teaching. And if you disturb also, he will not understand anything. Don't do that. So, Joanne and Nihit, did you understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
Yeah? Make sense?
So in the first line, like if you see like 2 times 6 times 12 times 1,
Uh-huh.
and then like in the second one, when you break it down, like 2 times 12 times 1,
Uh-huh.
can you, so in the first line, if there's a numerator and a denominator in the first line that are the same, can you cross them out?
Yeah, you can.
Sir,
I don't know what I did wrong though.
Okay, so do it one more time and send me a picture of that. I will tell you where you have gone wrong, okay?
Okay.
And whoever is coming to the class for entertainment, it's okay if as long as you are getting entertained by the math. If you,
what am I? What happened?
Dude,
He's like,
I would not go anywhere. I don't want to waste my energy explaining you what happened. You think about it and figure out what is going wrong.
no, like, you know the times that you just teach us? Yeah,
So
like,
you watch the video. I'm not discussing with you right now. That's a waste of time. Because you're not paying attention when I'm teaching something and then you are triggering a discussion which is waste of time for everybody. Watch the video again. You have to watch the video, okay? This video is for you. This video is for everybody who is having difficulty in understanding the concepts. I'm not putting the video for becoming a YouTuber by any means, okay? Alright. Okay, now one last thing. We have already the kids coming from the next group, but everybody, fraction division. If I say divide 1 by 2 by 3 by 8, does everybody remember what to do? Sit down, you're not going anywhere till I let you go. Does everybody remember what to do? Joanne, do you know? No? Do you know? Okay, fine. So for Joanne and Nihit, this is just for teaching them, okay? You guys already know. So we don't know how to do division, okay? I also don't know.
then we try it.
So I only know multiplication, okay? Because multiplication is fun. We can do tic-tac-toe.
And both of those.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. I said keep quiet. Yep, everybody, you guys also. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 8. And I don't know how to do division. Sriyanvi, you might want to go on mute, beta. Go on mute. So I only know multiplication, okay? So when I turn this division to multiplication, this thing changes. That's what I call as dance.
He gets upset.
Yeah. So I change division to multiplication because I only know how to do multiplication, okay? So I change the division to multiplication. And then this is what happens. So it became 1 into 8 divided by 2 into 3. That's it. And now you know how to do multiplication of fractions, you can just do it. Yeah?
It looks like an 8 times 3.
Doesn't matter, beta. Doesn't really matter. Don't waste your energy for things that is not important, okay? I'm just teaching you the concept part of it. Okay. I had to do division. I don't want to do division. I want to do multiplication. Advik, can you take a chair, sit down? So I converted division to multiplication. And when I do the division to multiplication, somebody gets upset and changes upside down. So 8 goes up, 3 comes down. And then it is my multiplication thing. And then I can do tic-tac-toe. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we learned fraction, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Most of you knew it. For some of the kids who were having difficulty in following that, that's why we did revision. And I promise, today is the last class for fraction operations. Whoever has learned, wonderful. Whoever has not learned, best of luck to them all.
They can watch the video.
The only option you have is watch the video and do practice rather than doing all the fancy discussion that you do starting with the word technically. Okay? You start the discussion with technically and you don't know any other techniques for maths. Better focus on learning the techniques. Okay? Alright? That brings